If you want to set password on any application on a Samsung A36 5G, you have to start by opening settings, and you will have to navigate into settings for sure. Then we will have to scroll down and we have to navigate up to security and privacy. Now you will have to scroll down and navigate for more security settings, and you have to go below for a secure folder, which is available right here. Then click continue again, and now you will have to wait a few moments for creating process. Right here you can find important information, what it does. So you can set password for applications, but in the same way you can also copy apps. You can lock your privacy photos or documents. You can customize this secure folder. There's like a lot of things that you can do right here, and in my opinion this is one of the most advanced feature that you can find on the Samsung phones. It's a really great extension, especially when you have some sensitive data in your apps or in your gallery. So after a few moments I'm going to show you how to go forward and set it up. Right now please leave a like under this video. You will definitely find it as informative tutorial. So just a few seconds, and now as you can see we can simply set the lock type. You have to input your lock type twice, like creating the screen password. Now you can also allow lock reset with Samsung account if you forget this one, but I'm not gonna forget because I've got pretty easy pattern. Now click next, and here we are. So right now if you want to put password on any application, you will have to click on the plus, and you have to add this application from your apps screen. So if you want to put, for example, password into your photos, you have to just select photos, or for example into Google Meet, or I don't know, Gmail application. You can do this for sure. You can add multiple apps at once and click add. Now I can recommend you to go for settings and change auto lock secure folder to each time you leave an application. And right now take a look. Now if you try to open the Facebook, be sure that you are not going to open Facebook from this page. You have to just simply log out from this Facebook account, go into secure folder, and now you will have to input your password. So now no one will actually get access into this secure folder, and here you will have to open your apps, log in, and that's basically how it works.